Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about twin towers in StatPro. How to design the twin towers in StatPro and how to analyze it. Before that we have to open the StatPro. In this click on new project, take the option of your space. Here I want to give the twin towers. Okay, here I want to file location downloads. I want to save here only. Okay, next we are going to see this length units as meters and force units as kilonewtons. Click on next. Here we have the option of add beam option. Just click on add beam option and click on finish. Here it is our workspace open like this. Before that, going to discuss about twin towers. I want to take a normal building. Actually, how can we take a building? How can we draw the building? Go to geometry option. Here, run structure wizard option. Here it will be open like this, and here I want to change this as truss models to frame models. In this frame model, I want to take a bay frame. Double click on it. Here we have the options of length. It will be 15 and height will be, I want to take the building of a height of 45. Why? Because I want to give the 15 floors of a building and each floor height will be 3 meters. So 15 into 5 it will be 40. 15 into 3 it will be 45. Next, give the width of this building also 15. Here number of bays along length is 5. Here number of bays along the height is 15. And here give the number of bays along width will be 5. Here when you are open these 3 dots, click on this. Each bay length will be divided as 3. Why? Because here our total length will be 15 and total length will be divided by 5. So each bay will be consists of 3 meters. Okay, just click on OK. Here also same, the width also each bay length will be 3. Click on OK. Here also each height of this building will be, each floor height will be 3 meters. Click on OK. Click on apply. Here it will be like this. Okay, go to close this, click on S and click on OK. It will be like this. Now we have to off this snap node off. It will be like this. Now we are first of all view this slab to the bottom part. That's why we are going to take this in front view and select this bottom portion. And here go to cut section, view here selection to view highlighted only, click on OK. It will be like this. Now we have take the 3-dimensional, it is in. Okay, now we have to apply 4 node plate to these beams. This is our first node, this is our second node, and this is our third node, this is our fourth node. Our 4 node plate will be given to this, and by using plate cursor we have to select this plate. Now go to translation repeat. Here it is in x direction. How much steps it will be? 4 steps. And spacing will be 3 meters. Click on OK. Here it will be like this. Plates are translation. Now just just put control button and select this all plates. Now again we are going to translate this in Z direction. Go to translation repeat. Here it is in Z direction. The number of steps will be 4. Spacing will be 3. Number of steps will be 4. Just click on OK. Yes. It will be also applied at all parts like this. Next, just take the whole structure display. Now going to take these plates at bottom portion. All these plates are copied to the translated to the R floats. So again go to translation repeat. It is in Y direction. Number of steps will be 14 and here spacing will be 3. Click on OK. Yes, it will be applied like this. Now we are series in 3D rendering view. Go to rendering view. It will be like this. So in our twin towers, one tower will be completed and next another tower will be copied by these beams and slabs. So first of all I want to select all the beams and Control C for copy and Control V for the paste. It is in X direction of building length will be 15 and another 9 meters I want to copy it. So total 24. Click on OK. Yes, it will be like this. When you are put this in top view, see this, and here give the top node to node distance. From this node to this, it will be 9 point something. Why? Because it will be deflected somewhat. Here again series in 3D view. Again I want to take a plate cursor. Here all the plates are selected. Now we have to copy this again. Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Here it is in also X direction. Here how much we can take in? Here also 24. Click on OK. Yes, it will be like this. Now we are seeing these two twin towers in 3D rendering view. This is our twin towers, both towers. I want to change this position also. So go to front view. I want to select all. These all will be moved. Give a right click, go to move option, and here it is in Z direction. In Z direction I want to change this as 9 meters again. So it will be also 24. Go to 3D view. Yes, it will be copied like this beams, and again I want to copy the move the plates also. Take the 4-node plate. Now it will be copied to this. Our plates and beams are copied to this like this now, from Z direction, from X axis to Z direction. It will be like this. Next we are taking, first of all we will see these two buildings in 3D rendering view. Go to 3D rendering. it will be like this. These are our twin towers. So for this I want to apply a skywalk to this. So I want to take this in front view. In here I want to select these beams, and here I want to give a translation repeat in x direction. View the number of steps as 3 and default spacing are also 3. Here click on link steps and click on OK. It will be like this. Now we have series in top view, and again I want to select these beams, and these beams also translation to the z direction. One step, each step consists of 3 meter spacing. Click on link steps, click on OK. Oh, I'm sorry. Again going to translation repeat. It is in z direction of -3. Why? Because in downwards it is positive z, upwards it is negative z. So it is -3. Click on link steps, click on OK. It will be like this. Now again I want to select this all these side beams. Again go to translation repeat and give the translation repeat in positive z direction. It will be number of steps as, here we have 2 steps, here we have 6 and 1, total 9 steps. Give here as 9 and give the spacing as 3. Like this. Click on link steps option and click on OK. It will be like this. Now we have applied here one 4 node plate. This is our first node, second node, third node and our fourth node. Again to the respective plates apply the 4 node plate. Like this. Now I want to select these 3 plates by using 4 node plate cursor. Plate cursor. Here I want to take a translation repeat in z direction. Here our total number of steps will be 14. Why? Because up to here it will be up to here it will be 9 and here it will be 6. So total it will be 14. For plates we don't even give the link steps. Why? Because plates are directly placed into this. If we take the nodes, it will be apply a link steps. Click on OK. Here our plates are applied to this square, and now we are going to see full structure. Okay, here plates are activated bottom side also. So go back, plates are removed here. Again go to top view. Okay, here just select the plates like this. Again okay, it will be like this. Why? Because I want to delete the downward plates. Going to top view, I want to select this and I want to translation repeat and apply this like this. If the node is selected as if the plate is not occurred at the top portion, if the plate is attached to the bottom nodes of this 3D building, how to rectify that? We have to rectify that. First of all, we have to draw a plate at this corner and give a translation repeat in negative x direction. That's why here 3 plates are created initially. After creating these 3 plates, we are applying the translation repeat in z direction with the 14 number of steps, and the spacing will be 3. Okay, thank you. Next in our next video we will continue this design like geometry. Okay, thank you.